Welcome to Aguru. To get started, please connect the LLMs you want to use for your application. The first connected LLM is considered the gold standard. To evaluate the quality of other LLMs, we collect outputs from all the LLMs and compare their semantic distance using BERT scores. Here in our demo account, we connected two LLMs, GPT 3.5 and Llama 7B, which is 10 times cheaper. The next step is to collect data to train the router. To do this, change the base URL of your client to the Aguru URL and continue using it as before. Aguru will automatically collect all the prompts you send to the LLMs. Once you have accumulated several thousand prompts, you can begin training the router by collecting responses from the LLMs. You can manually initiate this process on the Playground page by specifying the number of responses you'd like to collect. Once the router is trained, you can view answers from all LLMs on the Playground page, along with their BERT scores. The next step is to set the model to Aguru's router in your LLM client, allowing Aguru to select the best LLMs for your prompts. Here's how the router works. First, for each prompt, it finds a list of closest matching prompts, if any. Next, it checks the average BERT scores for these prompts for each connected LLM. Finally, the router selects the cheapest LLM with the same quality BERT score. You can view all this information on the routing history page. In our synthetic dataset, there are two types of questions. Math questions, where GPT 3.5 excels but Llama struggles to provide correct answers, and name extraction from sentences, where both models perform well. For all math questions, the router selects the best performing model, GPT 3.5. For name extraction tasks, it uses Llama, as it performs as well as GPT 3.5 but at a lower cost. Aguru also clusters your prompts into use cases, providing you with a top-level overview of how dense your prompt clusters are and how much noise exists. You can estimate how the router will perform for all use cases by examining the average BERT score across all LLMs. For example, you might see that there are 3 clusters or use cases with some noise. The percentage of noise is relatively small, and the clusters are quite dense. You can also view the average BERT scores for each cluster. Additionally, Aguru allows you to visually explore each cluster along with its prompts. Aguru offers another technique to help you reduce LLM costs and improve response times, the semantic cache. This feature instantly identifies and matches similar queries using semantic search. By reusing previous responses for new comparable prompts, it delivers significant cost savings and faster response times without sacrificing quality. You can adjust the similarity threshold for the cache, ensuring it is only triggered when a new prompt exceeds this threshold in similarity to a previously encountered prompt. You can monitor the performance of the router and cache on the dashboard, which provides a detailed breakdown of your activity. The dashboard displays money saved by the router and cache, actual spending, best performing models, other key metrics. This comprehensive overview allows you to evaluate the effectiveness and efficiency of your LLM usage. If you have any questions, please contact us at contact@aguru.com or use the chat widget in the lower corner of the page.